morning, everybody. Forex market situation update. We are back with some with Wall Street. We want to talk about, to give you a bit of a different angle on the market. Today we're going to talk about the Dow Jones. Later on we're going to talk about the FTSE, which is the British index, and we're seeing some they are in line with one another, both of them. In terms of their technical situation, we feel that the market's on the back foot, and it may stay on the back foot for a while. Now, the medium-term cycle is trading sideways. That's what's going on right now. It's trading sideways ever since April, right? I mean, around the time of April and May, price was actually starting to. It was hitting new highs, right? New all-time highs, and then started to top out. And that topping out process eventually created this range. Check this out. We got that one on the downside, then all the way up. That's the second. Then back down again, right? That's the third, and we're on our way up. So the medium-term cycle, I would say, is trading sideways, but the short-term cycle, right, is trading upwards. It's coming off 33,000 right there. So short-term cycle is bullish, right? So that's why we think that what we've seen here over the last day or two is just a technical correction to the short-term cycle, meaning price should come back up eventually and take 34,574. That's a big resistance level that we believe price will engage with at some point. The only question is, of course, is what's the potential on this downside move that started off yesterday? Because you can expect to have a decent technical correction in this case, because price came off a pretty significant low, and up till a couple of days ago it was 100% bullish, right? Very strong move. So a technical correction here is well deserved. I think the potential is to the same 33,624 that we've discussed earlier as the potential testing ground for a full breakout, right? Which is exactly what happened. I mean, price didn't really stop on its way. It really cut through that level and continued to explode upwards. But not as far as we thought it would, because we thought it was going to take that 34,574 level, hopefully without any hiccups along the way. But right now you're looking at one of those, and this technical correction could escalate, like I said, much deeper than what it did so far. So we'll see. It's going to be very interesting for sure. Guys, that's about that for our prediction, our assessment on the situation here with the Dow Jones. We're bullish, but we do expect some more downside move. So if you connect these two opposite kind of opinions on what's happening, the difference comes from the time factor rather than anything else. So I guess the best outcome as far as taking action here would be to wait for price action to reach that 33,624. Find a solid support, find a solid tipping point, turning point where you can pick up, right? We can pick up that Dow all the way, hopefully with renewed energy back up, right? And towards those previous highs. Alright, that's about that Dow Jones. We'll be back with the next one, guys. Going to be talking about the British index, the FTSE, so don't miss out on that one. Cheers.